Welcome to our comparison of the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryers. Today, we will explore two models designed for efficiency and convenience in small living spaces. We'll look at their capacities, power ratings, and prices to help you decide which dryer suits your needs best. The first area we will compare is capacity. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer with model number B08N4DVVYS offers a larger capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, making it suitable for bigger loads. In contrast, the B08N4GQYXQ model has a smaller capacity of 2.65 cubic feet, which may require more frequent drying cycles for larger laundry loads. If you have a larger family or do laundry more often, the larger capacity may be beneficial. Next, let's discuss the power of these dryers. The Euhomy model B08N4DVVYS operates at 1,500 watts, providing more drying power compared to the B08N4GQYXQ, which operates at 1,400 watts. This extra power can lead to faster drying times, making the first model a more efficient choice for those who need quick results. Finally, we will look at the price. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer B08N4DVVYS is priced at $349, making it a more affordable option compared to the B08N4GQYXQ, which is priced at $409. If budget is a concern, the first model offers a better value while still providing excellent features. In conclusion, both Euhomy compact dryers offer great features for small living spaces. The B08N4DVVYS model stands out with its larger capacity and lower price, while the B08N4GQYXQ is more compact but at a higher cost. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.